Are you looking? Look everywhere. Where did he hide it? Did you look in your playroom? Did you look here? Is there a basket? Well, go look in, Mia.
Let's look.
Go look.
Come on, Mia. Come on.
Look everywhere for it.
Let's look.
Do you see a basket from the Easter Bunny? No, that's just your rabbit. Do you see a new basket anywhere? Huh. Did you see one with Mama? Did Mama have one? Go look and see if Mama had one. Did Mama have one? What's that?
What is that?
Is that your Easter basket?
Did you find it?
Is that for Mia? Is that for Mia? Get it?
Can you pick it up?
Can you get your basket? Oh, go take it in and show Grandma and Grandpa. Yeah, it's your basket. Here. Go show Grandma and Grandpa. No, here, take the basket.
Take the basket, Mia.
Go show Grandma and Grandpa what you got.
Oh,
Whoa! Give her a chance to look at it first. A rabbit! Did you get a rabbit with an egg? Wow, what else did you get? Gotta sit in your chair and check it out. Come on.
What's in your basket, Mia? Hmm? Did you get a rabbit? What's this? What's this? It's okay. Take it out. Here. What is that? Is that a book with poo?
Does it have a CD in it?
Yeah, it's a read-along.
Oh, nice.
you got a bunny.
Does the bunny have an egg? Wow. What else is in your basket, Mia? What else is there? It's okay. Zaychik? Is there a rabbit? Take it out. What's it? What is it? Oh. What is that? What's in there? Is it paper for you to draw on?
Wow.
Yeah. What about these? What's that?
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Michael put your seahorse back for you. Pick up an egg. What's inside the eggs?
Another little book to draw on.
Ooh, has that one got a chicken?
How's chicken go?
What sound does the chicken make, Mia? Can you tell Michael what sound the chicken makes?
Because I don't know.
Hi, Tanya.
Hello, Nick. Hi, Tony.
Is that an egg? Taking everything out, laying it down. See the hippopotamus chair?
Hmm?
Her chair. It's the hippopotamus.
Now she has her own yard chair.
What's inside the egg, Mia?
When you go to the
Whoa.
park, she can take her chair.
What is that?
Is that money?
Next to it, it folds up and fits.
And a chicken? Wow.
She picks the candy over the coin. She has her priorities straight.
Is that for Mia?
What is that?
Wow. Is that to feed your pig? Yeah. Oh, here. Let's put it here on your book. Is that a Bolshoi egg?
You want help?